it and get her to eat it.
She likes it.
Good job. What are you feeding her?
Cantaloupe.
Wait till she opens her mouth. There you go. She bites a spoon, doesn't she?
Good job, Sally. She ate it. Want some more?
Don't stick a spoon in too far, okay?
She's all done.
She's all done? How do you know?
Where's the spoon go? What'd I do? Who takes it? Who takes it? Where is it?
I don't know.
Maybe say you ate it. Uh-oh, did it? Uh-oh, where's the spoon? There.
You better go get a napkin and wipe up her spit up. Hey, what'd you do with that spoon? What'd you do with that spoon? Are you gonna come wipe up her face? Got distracted watching her TV show. Hey, little mama, are you gonna come wipe up her spit up?
No, I'm watching another one.
Okay. Looks like it's just me and you. Sally, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.